to another Ortoo E2A how-to video. In this video, we will talk about alternate thread IDs. It's a pre-processed setting that allows you to match inbound emails to existing records via regex pattern. So once the email service queues and email rules have been set up, you can go ahead and create the alternate thread ID. So for that, we scroll down over here. So what exactly we want to do for this one is that I created a request and it generated a request number. So whenever an email comes in with the same request number, it should attach itself to this record. So as you can see, I've already sent out a test email right here. So we're going to come back to the email rules and we're going to set up the alternate thread ID. So anytime an email comes in with the same request number, it gets attached to that particular record. So I had previously created my regex pattern here and tested it on regex 101 to see whether it works correctly or not. I want to see the body of the email for this particular request number, and we select it from here. I'm going to go ahead to see whether everything is correct, and I'm going to save it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy the email service, put it into the email address, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy the request number so it's exactly the same as it is in the record, and I'm going to add it here. So I'm going to say this is test 2. Hi, this is test 2, and there's the request number, right? So we're going to send it out and we're going to go back here to the related and refresh the page. And there you have it. This is test 2 has come in and attached itself to this record. So if you have any questions in terms of alternate thread IDs or anything else in relation to E2A, please feel free to email us on support@ortooapps.com and we will be happy to help and answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.